Hello guys, today we will discuss how to change the PowerPoint slide from landscape to portrait. As we can see here, the default slide is in landscape mode. So to change it to portrait mode, first click Design, click Slide Size, choose the custom slide size. Here you can select either landscape or portrait. Here I select portrait. Moreover, you also can modify the setting. I just remain it, then finally press OK. Then you can select maximize or ensure fit. Here I choose ensure fit. Finally, your slide is changed to portrait. Thank you for watching.